Hello everybody around the globe, Bjorn here from Market Respect. Welcome to my last video for today regarding the Aussie. This is the pair where the retracement from the large uptrend, so the large impulse to the upside was also taken place because we have seen the dollar strength across the board, and the Aussie was not an exception also. So I wasn't particularly interested in this trade. As you can see, there's nothing drawn here, but now I can just show you that regarding the daily, so we were moving in a channel. I saw this why is always my Fibo white, so make this as default, no, as default template, sorry. I saw that it will go down, so I had some position to the upside running around here, if you remember. So this was my last position on the Aussie. So here was the 78.60, then from this move down to this move, and then here I was expecting that the price will go up and make sorry, this that the price will go up and come to our profit targets of the 2027, which will be then in line with the also the channel in which we are moving. So I was expecting something like this and then something like this. So obviously okay, the entry point was good and the entry was sharp, so good risk to reward ratio here, and I had some profits taken because if you look this on a 4-hour chart, then you can see that the market was really struggling here around this point. So I took something off the table, but majority was then stopped at break even. The market unfolded so in a way that the next move was to the downside. So I didn't want to go against this major trend, and I didn't go short on the Aussie, but checking the daily, and you can also see that if you draw fib from high to low, so from here to here, when we saw that this bullish scenario will not going to happen, so here we have a situation where the price retraced to the 61.80, almost to the pip, and you can see where this move finished. So it finished on the 618 negative of Fibo extension. Nevertheless, it didn't stop on the channel this time, and if you were thinking this way, then great, congratulations. There was really a good opportunity to take also this trade on the short side, even though it's against the major trend, but it was good risk to reward ratio. And as you can see, for the I don't know how many times, if we follow these rules, we know exactly where to enter and where our stop loss is and where our take profit is. So here we also see where the market reversed. So the market reversed, it's respecting really the Fibonacci numbers. It's not some phony baloney, but really this is something like waves in which market is moving. So this was really good entry point for a short, and you can be proud of yourself if you took this opportunity. I haven't been entering short on this trade. We can even draw it sorry, on a smaller time frame. This is this high to low retracement and move to the projected profit target area. I'm still convinced that the Aussie is bullish on the long term, but I'm not sure that this correction is over, so I'm not jumping here now long immediately. I want to see more confirmations to enter long, and for now I will not be pushing or trading. So we'll see how the Aussie will develop. I will be analyzing and watching it, and I will let you know what I think it's crucial for our next trade to unfold, what is crucial for the market to unfold, where our next trade then will be to the long side. Okay, let's make just this quick overview, taking a Fibonacci from low, from low to high. I want to catch the big low swing low. Let's say this is the first area where I can say, okay, market made a really big pullback up and then make a retracement down. So from this area I don't really see anything, and I am not sure where the market can and will stop on the short side, and this is why I'm not just jumping into the long side, because I see a lot more room to the downside to go if the market decides to do so. So now when we broke this upper channel, if we see on this on these time scales now on the daily, we can check this out. So now we have a few points where we see that the there is a trend line on the daily regarding a short position, and also there is a Fibo from high to low. In just a second I will make my way here, and maybe in the next area where I could go short should be then this one. So I want to see that the market makes some pullback to the upside, and that this pullback stops somewhere around this area between the 6180 and the 7860, and that this also matches with the trend line on the daily, on so the downtrend line, and this will then indicate another short position for me. Before that I'm not going short, and for market to go against to be against bull to be again bullish, so I will wait for so this was the bearish scenario. Just okay, I will make so I want to see pullback here, and I want to see then when I find the entry, then my first target will be the last low, the second target will be -27, and the third target will be the -618 of Fibonacci extension. If this is not the case and the market continues to follow the higher time frame bullish move, and I want to see really then firstly the break of this downtrend line, and then retest on a break, and at this point in time then I'm considering going along, not before, on daily chart. Now this is then what I want to see on daily chart. If you want to take a long position, I'm not going not going long until this. So this is the area where we have 2 or 3 confirmation. It could be then the three confirmations. The first is the break of the downtrend line. The second is the pullback to the area between 6180 and 7860, and the third confirmation then can be, you can guess already, so it can be then the inverse head and shoulder pattern, and this scenario will then be really good for going long with high probability trade, and the trade with highest risk to reward ratio. So this is the bullish scenario. The bearish scenario I already showed you, and that's pretty much everything regarding Aussie. So have to be patient. You have to then follow the move. If you want, you can trade on a smaller time scale, on 1 hour or 15 minutes, and you can find the good entries there with then the in terms of pips, the stop losses will be much lower, and the take profits and also will be lower in terms of pips, but in terms of risk reward you can also find a good entry point there. But watching the daily or the 4-hour chart, which is some sort of a daily, but you can more clearly see the consolidations area, and I prefer just looking on a 4-hour chart and then make just like sort of this zooming out and watch the market moves. So watch these waves, how the market reacts to certain zones, how much time it spends there. So this is really also something that's important. How much time does the market spend in some area? So not just a price or a number, but also a point in time. Okay, this is again a long video. I wasn't planned to make such a long video on the Aussie, but this is the analysis I'm seeing right now, and I've told you my bearish bullish scenarios and what I will do in certain situations. So that's the game plan, and I will follow my game plan. If you like it, you can also redraw this on your platform, and then you can follow the market and not miss the move, and know the levels of where the entries, take profits and stops are. That's pretty much it. Stay safe, stay healthy. I will make certainly another round of videos this week when I see how the market will unfold for all the majors. If you like, leave me a comment, subscribe to the channel. It would mean a lot to me, and if you want to see something else, write me, and if you don't understand something, also write me. I will try to do my best to explain it. Stay safe, stay healthy. Best regards from Croatia, Europe, guys. Bye.